Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Long time no see. So as y'all can see, I have locks again. I'm gonna do another video on the state of my hair and why some of the ends are straight and everything, but I am now on my third set of starter locks.
That doesn't make no sense.
It's crazy because I went from 1 to 3 in a matter of quite literally 365 days. Well, no, it was a little bit more than 365 days. Maybe like 400, we're gonna say 400-ish days. But yeah, I have now had 3 sets of locks, and this is my journey with my new set of locks that I just got done literally 4 days ago. So yeah, I got my third and final set of locks. I'm not doing this again. This is it. This is a wrap. Now, don't get me wrong. I am an indecisive, impulsive Pisces to my very core. But this is done. The decision has been made. And these are the last set of locks that I will be getting. So yeah, guys, like I said, this video, we're going to be going through my journey of getting this new set of locks. And first, I'm just going to start it off by talking about the Loctition that I went to. The Loctition that I went to, her name is Daisha. She's located in Arlington, Texas. You can find her on Instagram via the handle Virgo Locs for all of your needs. One great thing about her services is that she provides a consultation before the first time you go and see her, so she can get a good idea of the state of your hair before she provides you any services. And you can also ask any questions at that time about maybe what you want or what she might think is best for your hair, as far as maybe if you're starting locks, if you're kind of like in some lock crisis, or you have just any general questions about the state of your hair and what you want to do with it. So to start off, we went straight to the shampoo bowl, and she got me going with a good wash. I know for sure one of the shampoos that she used was the Design Essentials Peppermint and Aloe shampoo. My hair, my scalp absolutely loves this shampoo. It's one of the only shampoo that will like get the flakes off my scalp and get rid of them. And I absolutely love it. And she also lets the shampoo kind of sit and get all like tingly and minty on your scalp, so it feels really, really good. So following the 2 shampoos that she does, after that we go into doing a deep condition. And from what my nose was smelling, it smelled like the Design Essentials Rosemary Mint Conditioner. Again, a conditioner that I love. This conditioner works great for everybody. And it's kind of big in the lock community as far as conditioners that people use. It works really good, feels good and soothing on the scalp because it has that mint in it. And yeah, so we let that sit for a couple of minutes, wash it out, and it was time to get started. So the method that I decided to go with as far as starting my locks was 2-strand twists. The reason why is because my hair is a little, well, not little, my hair is very much longer than it was the first time I started my locks. Here's a picture of my starter locks when I first got them. I didn't take a picture of the day that I got them. This is maybe 3 days, 4 days afterwards, and I was wearing a wig on top of them, so that's why it looks all frizzy and stuff. But as y'all can see, my hair was really short, so that's why I started with comb coils then. But yeah, with my hair being the length that it was, and then also my hair type, I have type 4 hair, like 4, to me it's 4C. I don't really know too much else beyond that. That's all I know. But but with my hair type, I knew that comb coiling it was gonna hurt, because the process of comb coiling, you know, they part it out and then they twist it the whole way down, and in the between them twisting it, they have to pull the comb down. Now that pull, that was gonna be it for me. That was gonna be my 13th reason. And considering the amount of hair that I have, the amount of locks that I got, no. So I know that starting your locks, there's different parting methods that you can use. So there's like the square, there's the diamond, there's the crescent moon, there is the free, which is what I got. I'm the free. I'm with the free people. And yeah, I don't think there's any more. If there is any more,
I don't know.
Here we are, like in the process of doing my locks, my loose natural hair on the top, party in the back, you know, the new locks getting started. And yeah, God blessed Daisha's hands, and we went to work on getting these starter locks going. It took about, I want to say 4 to 5 hours, I think. Yeah, I think like 4 to 5 hours to get it all done. We did take a little like bathroom break. That was really it. So here we are, pretty much almost done. We just have like that front left section. Is it left? Yeah, it's this side. It's my left. The front left section to do, and we are on the home run stretch. So after we got done installing the starter locks, I sat underneath the dryer, and let me just say this. I hate the dryer. Down with all the dryers. I wish nothing but the worst for hair dryers. When I tell you that dryer felt like fire, fire. So, oh my gosh. So yes, now we're all done, and these are my new set of locks, you guys. Believe it or not, it's my third set. I don't know if I mentioned it already. If I did, I'm saying it again. But yeah, this is now my third set of locks. These are here to stay. They will not be going anywhere. And we are just gonna be on the journey of starting these locks over. So yeah, you guys, this is my new set of locks. As you can see, this hair and these hairs in the front, the ends are straight, and that is due to heat damage. So I had my hair loose and out for a little over a year, and in that time I really did mess up my hair. Not mess it up, but I got some heat damage and broke my hair off. I think messed it up is a good way to put it. You know what, now that we putting up, I think that's a great way to say it. But yeah, y'all, so this is kind of like the comeback to the tube. New set of locks, new lock journey. I'm in my career as a nurse now. All of that is happening, and I'm super excited to be back. Shout out again to Daisha at Virgo Locks. She is who did my hair. Here's her information again, and I will be sure to put it down in the bio. Yeah, y'all, so thank y'all so much for watching this video, and I am so excited to be back. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see y'all in the next one.